Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to put your logo on Canva. First, open your design or start a new one. Look for the Uploads tab on the left side of your screen. Click on Upload Files and choose your logo image from your computer or device. Canva supports formats like JPG, PNG, and SVG. For a professional look, always use a logo with a transparent background, especially a PNG or SVG file. This prevents an unsightly white box from appearing behind your logo on your design. After your logo is successfully uploaded, it will be visible in your Uploads panel. To add it to your current design, simply click on the logo's thumbnail. It will instantly appear on your canvas. Another easy method is to click and drag the logo directly from the Uploads panel onto your design. This gives you immediate control over its initial placement, making it simple to start integrating your brand. With your logo now on the canvas, you can easily adjust its size and position. Click on the logo to select it, then drag any of the four corner handles inward or outward to resize it proportionally. To move your logo, simply click and drag it to your preferred spot on the design. Canva also provides helpful pink alignment guides that appear automatically, assisting you in perfectly centering or aligning your logo with other elements. Before finalizing, consider adjusting your logo's transparency or adding subtle effects to ensure it blends seamlessly. Always double-check that your logo is clearly visible and enhances your design, not detracting from it. When satisfied, click the Share button located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your desired file type, like PNG for high quality or JPG for smaller file sizes. Then click Download to save your finished design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.